channel. This is Gabby's vlog. For our latest vlog will be all about trendy topics in sports and entertainment through TV shows. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. So likes, shares, comments, and views within the 500 subscribers. If support natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog po natin 262, episode 262, entitled Trending TV Moments. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin. Panoorin natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Una naman natin sa sports news. Sa PBA Caloocan Games, nako, panalo ang Northport Batanpier against Blackwater Bossing. Was supposed to play James Yap Sagi. Kaya lang, na-injure pa rin sa rin. Nanalo siya 2 kasi kung guys, sinabi ko, malaking push or yung tambag. Tapos, bigla yung Blackwater makatay sana para sa overtime. But unfortunately, natalo siya. At napanalo ang Northport sa Blackwater. Congratulations and thank you, Caloocan, for making us player the game na si Arvin Tolentino from FEU. Sa ating volleyball naman. Sa volleyball, but unfortunately, sad to say, na-eliminate na ang PLDT high-speed hitters. Pinamunahan nila Kim Pajardo, Majoy Baron, Kiana D, at Sabi Davison. Pero ang Final Four sa Premier Volleyball League, hindi po siya 1 vs 4, 2 vs 3, kundi round robin are Petrogas Angels, Choco Mucho Flying Titles, Cherry Tigo Crossovers, and Creamline Cool Smashers. This is the first time that the Cream Line na hindi na either first or second place finisher for Cream Line is na at 4th place na. First time na hindi first and second team ang nag-final 4 but the number 4 seed. Pero babawi sa final round robin pa rin. Yan ang rules. Congratulations sa Final Four. Good luck sa mga LaSalle members sa team yan. And now, here are our entertainment TV news. So, una naman natin ay sa Linlang. Sad to say, wala na si Kyla Estrada sa Linlang. Namatay na yung character na si Sylvia dahil nahulog siya sa hagdan. Ay, hindi sa hagdan. Sa stairs. Due to, suicide problems. And, of course, thank you Kyla Estrada for making share about thoughts as Sylvia ng Nida. Tapos na-move na kasi sa Can't Buy Me naman tapos on their last 2 weeks and replaced by High Street, a senior high sequel sa May 30 na. Congrats Kyla and hope you see you soon. And finally sa ating pang-weekend show, kagabi sa ating advanced birthday ni Bossing Big sa Open 24/7's Easy's birthday bash. At Isigera, yes, sa Open 24 My Guardian Alien. Gumanabi na Ali Bibe ng Duck Walk. Siyempre, masaya-masaya ako. Nanonood ako ng Open 24/7. Congratulations to Bossing Big Soto, Jose Mananas, Maa Salvador Ortega, at Sophia Pablo, and Alan and Sai, and hope you enjoy. And Isigera, thank you sa pag-guest sa birthday ni Bossing on Open 24/7 GMA. Yan po ang ating trendy topics on TV shows. See you next time. Bago ba tayo matapos, New Music Friday muna tayo. our new music, we have a song from Jackson Wong, Jackson Wong, TJ Mortede, Angelique Quinto, and Zephanie. For more information about it on Spotify, iTunes, and YouTube Music, makikita rin new songs sa ating New Music Friday noong Friday, 2024, April 26. Yan po for our latest vlog. Maraming salamat. Bye! God bless all. See you next vlog.